Alright guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an Instagram story with your photos and some music, right? So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you're inside Instagram first and foremost, and then you want to click on your story on the uppermost left hand side at the top there, right? So click on that plus icon and it will take you into your photos, etc. Now you want to click on your camera here. So once you click on your camera, guys, you want to go ahead and click on the A there on the left hand side. That will take you into create mode. And then you want to go ahead and click on this middle face paper icon at the top here in the middle there. Click on that. And you want to scroll down to where you have this multiple photos icon there in the middle. So go ahead and tap on that. And this will allow you to click on multiple photos, right? So you can click on each photo and you can move them around to where you want. Go ahead and click on that again. Select another photo. I'm going to select another photo here. I'm going to click on it again and I'm going to go ahead and I will choose another photo, right? So go ahead and choose something like that. And once you select your photos, guys, you can tap on them and it will change the shape. So if you look at that, the shapes are changing. So I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to let it stretch it out like that. I'm going to do the second one here and I'm going to leave that maybe like a little heart here and I'm going to a little bit turn it so that it looks a little bit different. And for this third one, I'm going to just simple turn it just like that, right? Something simple as that, right? All right, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on the text there, and I'm going to simply choose one of these texts here. Let's use this one, and I'm going to write my horses, right? Something like that, yeah? I'm going to move it to where I want, and I'm going to simply go ahead and make it a bit larger by moving up the size option there. So I'm going to simply put it maybe here. And now I'm going to add a music. So all I have to do is just tap the music option from these options at the top. And then I will just simply choose one music. So let's choose the first one. And I will choose where I want the music to play from. Go ahead and click done. And now you have the music here. Now once you're ready, guys, all you have to do, simply tap on your story from the bottom options there. And that's it. It will now go into my story. And there you have it, guys. My story is ready. It's posted. And it's there with my music and my photos. So very easy and very simple. Guys, really hope that you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much and see you next time.